future intern. I'm Tina Cooper, a 2015 SUNY Oswego alumni and your internship coordinator on campus. Let's get to it. Internships are a spectacular way to narrow down your career interests, learn more about your strengths, fill in industry knowledge gaps, and begin to create a professional network for yourself. You might be wondering how to get started. I understand it can all be a little bit overwhelming when it comes to the best tools to use, how to break through to a real conversation with a human, and what it really takes to get from applicant to interview.
First, let's think about what you might know already. Job databases. You probably have heard of Indeed. You've probably even used it. You probably have also heard of Handshake and CareerShift if you've worked with Excel or career services staff before. One thing to remember about these types of systems is that they are not all the same system with the same opportunities within them. For example, did you know that SUNY Oswego works directly with many of the employers listed in Handshake? Most of the local employers from Oswego to Syracuse, and even many in Rochester, post their internship opportunities in the Handshake system for Lakers like you to find. When using Handshake, it's important to limit the number of keywords you use and put emphasis on your use of filters. You never need to use the word intern as a keyword, as it can limit your results, and there is a filter built for this. Remember to also utilize a variety of keywords related to the type of position you're seeking. If you're looking for, let's say, a marketing internship, people may use the words communication, promotions, advertising, media, or even outreach instead of the word marketing. When it comes to internship searching, it's important to remember that your path to an opportunity will likely be unique to you. For this reason, you should aim to incorporate tools like LinkedIn and strategic research to get your name in front of prospective internship mentors. The key to these tools is to remind yourself that these mentors are first and foremost people. Many professionals were once in your shoes, trying to find their first experience in industry. Did you know that on LinkedIn alone, SUNY Oswego has over 58,000 alumni with profiles? Using the alumni tool, you can sort these results by where they currently work, live, and even their major when they attended Oswego. We have seen many students connect with eventual internship supervisors through using this tool. Reaching out to internship sites that you are interested in by first determining the location you would like to intern is another method many students have success with. By conducting research, staying very organized, and strategically wording your emails or conversations, you can spend your search time efficiently and connect with supervisors directly. For example, if I were a student interested in working with a nonprofit organization in Syracuse, New York, I could start my research by creating a list of organizations. From there, I could check on LinkedIn to see if any of those organizations have alumni connections, search the organization's websites for direct contact information, and compile my research before making a plan to do outreach. This method not only allows you to find a direct contact into an organization, it also gives you the opportunity to demonstrate soft skills like communication, resourcefulness, and critical thinking. There are so many ways to connect with people in 2022. Use them to your advantage. For more tips and strategies on how to connect with internship sites, please feel free to reach out to me directly. You can follow me on Insta, Tina Talks Internships, make a one-on-one appointment on Handshake, or reach out to me directly at tina.cooper@oswego.edu. Happy searching!